Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to create logo varnish animation. Okay, let's start. First, create a new composition. Name it render. For preset I choose here, and for frame rate 30 and duration 5 seconds. Click OK. Now drag a logo into timeline. Okay. Right click and pre-compose. Rename it logo. Select move all attribute and click OK. Now make sure you do not select on logo layer. Go to rectangle tool. For fill, set it to be white, and stroke, set it to be none, and double click on rectangle tool. For timeline, keep it here and press P to set position. Move layer to the right side. Okay. Select on stopwatch to create a keyframe and move timeline forward to the end. And then now right click and reset. Okay. Go to track matte and select on alpha inverted. Okay, that is good. Go to Effect and Preset and choose Turbulent mode. Turbulent displays. Okay. Now for amount, set it 25 and size set it 300 and complexity set it 10. Okay, that is good. Now select on both layer and pre-compose. Rename it logo varnish. Select on move all attribute and click OK. Now select on logo layer and go to edit. Select on duplicate or Ctrl D. Go to track matte and select on alpha inverted. Now we can see only outline, so select on the top layer and move backward. One. Yes, it is good for me. Okay, now we do not need to see outline, so go to Effect and Preset, search for mini matte. Okay. Here, for operation, choose minimum. For channel, choose alpha, and radius, set it around 2. Okay, that is good. Now, select on both layer and pre-compose. Set it logo line. Okay, move all attribute. Now go to project panel and drag logo varnish into timeline. Okay, that is good. Go to Effect and Preset and search for glow. Okay, now for radius, I set it 10 and Ctrl D to duplicate. For logo radius, I set it 50. Okay, and duplicate again. Logo radius, I set it 100. Now I start play. Yeah, I press B and go here and press N. Now quick preview. Okay, that is good for me. For you want to change any logo, please go to project panel and go to logo composition and drag other logo into timeline. Now adjust size of logo. Okay, make it in the same size. Okay, it is good, and close previous logo. Now we can change automatically logo. Okay, click preview. Okay, that is good for me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get more tutorial. See you next time.